Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on computer networks on topic routing and congestion control. The question reads as follows. Given propagation delay from one end to other end, that is A to B, is 20 microseconds. Also given that queuing delay as 15 microseconds, processing delay as 18 microseconds and transmission delay as 25 microseconds. Then calculate the round trip time or RTT end to end, given that the number of routers between two ends, that is from A to B, is 3. As we know, a packet experiences different network delays while traveling from one end to other end. So let us calculate the delay experienced by the packet at each router, which is given by the sum of queuing delay, transmission delay and the processing delay. Here the queuing delay is the amount of time the packet waits in a queue before taken for processing. Processing delay is the amount of time taken by the router to actually process the packet, whereas the transmission delay is the amount of time taken by the router to put the packet onto the wire, that is the amount of time to transmit the packet to the ongoing link. So let us calculate this value for the given question. We have 15 plus 18 plus 25 microsecond, which evaluates to 58 microseconds. That is, the packet will experience 58 microseconds of delay at each of the intermediate router. Now the round trip time for the packet is given by 2 into in bracket propagation delay plus number of routers into delay at each of the router. Here the term in the rectangular bracket denotes the time required for the packet to travel from A to B, and if we multiply this by 2 we get the round trip time, that is the time taken by the packet to travel from A to B and from B to A. So let us calculate this value for the given question. We have 2 into 20, which is the propagation delay, plus 3, which is the number of routers, into 58, which is the delay at each router that we have calculated in the previous step. So this evaluates to 388 microseconds. So the round trip time of the packet in the given question would be 388 microseconds. So the correct answer is option D. Thank you.